Quick trick today, courtesy of a request from SeeMeBro, who wanted to know something kind of fun, but I realize it's a hidden feature. So in Desktop Editor, I have two primitive cubes. These are just from the build menu. And if I go on this primitive cube here, you'll find a render section. You can check this to always render in front. It doesn't actually do anything yet. To make it really clear, I'm going to change the color to be purple. Then we're going to go into preview mode, and you'll be able to see that it always renders in front, which is kind of trippy. But you can use that to make like icons to identify where players are for like specific people who are, trackers or something. And of course, you don't have to use, a shape that big. You could make it nice and small. Change the scale down to like 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. And if we preview that, you can start seeing like it actually looks really cool. Anyway, really cool trick there. A lot you can do with that. Don't do too many of these. They are recommended to only go on a few entities. I'd recommend doing one per person. You can make things visible on a per player basis, so consider that. And if you have any other questions, I guess leave them in the comments or join our Discord linked in the description. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!